in which the highest and the noblest attributes of discipline, character, and courage are not only blended but are also nurtured and nourished.
The custodian of drill, discipline, and turnout at the Officers Training Academy, Gaya, is the Academy Adjutant, Lieutenant Colonel Anubhav Pant of 6th Battalion, the Sikh Regiment, ably assisted by Assistant Adjutant Major Samir Rai of 54 Armored Regiment and a team of some of the finest drill instructors from a wide range of Indian Army regiments headed by Subedar Major Manu KM of 12th Battalion, the Maratha Light Infantry Regiment. Ladies and gentlemen, the officers of Technical Entry Scheme and Special Commission Officers Course have carved a niche for themselves in the annals of a great army by being decorated and winning many prestigious decorations for their gallant acts. They have been honored with numerous gallantry awards for their acts of exemplary valor shown at the times of war and counterinsurgency operations.
भारतीय थल सेना के स्वर्णिम और गौरवान्वित इतिहास में स्पेशल कमीशन ऑफिसर कोर्स एवं टेक्निकल एंट्री स्कीम कोर्स ने अपनी वीरता और शौर्य का परिचय देते हुए सेना का हमेशा मान बढ़ाया है। इन सैन्य अधिकारियों ने अपने अदम्य साहस और शौर्य का परिचय देते हुए देश और सेना को गौरवान्वित किया है और साथ ही बलिदान और शूरवीरता का साक्षात उदाहरण प्रस्तुत किया है। इन्हीं शूरवीरों में लेफ्टिनेंट महेश कुमार शौर्य चक्र मरणोपरांत 5 महार, जिन्होंने टेक पटरी नामक स्थान पर दिनांक 18 जून 2011 को आतंकवादियों के साथ मुठभेड़ में अदम्य साहस का परिचय देते हुए भारतीय सेना की परंपरा के अनुसार अपने प्राणों की परवाह किए बिना आतंकवादियों को मार गिराया। इस महान कार्य को अंजाम देते हुए वे शहीद हो गए।
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, आज हमारे समक्ष अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी गया में कुछ ऐसे अधिकारीगण मौजूद हैं जिन्होंने अदम्य साहस का प्रदर्शन करते हुए भारतीय सेना को गौरवान्वित किया है। ये अधिकारीगण हैं लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल GAV रेड्डी शौर्य चक्र, ब्रिगेडियर सुनील यादवा सेना मेडल वीरता, ब्रिगेडियर संदीप मोला सेना मेडल वीरता, कर्नल शैतान सिंह युद्ध सेवा मेडल, लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल आशीष श्रीवास्तव सेना मेडल वीरता, मेजर आशुतोष तोमर सेना मेडल वीरता, मेजर प्रतीक रंजन गांवकर सेना मेडल वीरता।
जैसा कि कहा गया है, देश में ही जन्मे देश पर ही मिट जाएंगे, मरते मरते देश को मगर जिंदा हम कर जाएंगे। हमको रोकेगा फलक अपनी राहों में कब तक, खाक बनकर आंख में उस पर ही बरस जाएंगे, खाक बनकर आंख में उस पर ही बरस जाएंगे।
That, ladies and gentlemen, was the markers call heralding the entry of markers of the contingents to the parade ground. They now emerge through the gate of the fort to take up their respective positions on the inspection line. Ladies and gentlemen, the gentlemen cadets you see marching onto the parade ground are the markers taking their positions. The rest of their contingents would soon enter the parade ground from behind the ramparts. Here, they move to the left and to the right of the parade ground and would line up contingent-wise. The markers lined up on the inspection line from left to right as you see them are Company Sergeant Major Rajat Yadapnavar, Company Sergeant Major Dharmendra Singh Devli, Company Quartermaster Sergeant Uzain Nima, Company Quartermaster Sergeant Bharat Sharma. Ladies and gentlemen, soon the advance call will be sounded, an indication for the parade to march through the ramparts.
Ladies and gentlemen, the advance call has just been sounded. And now there they emerge through the gate of the fort. You can see the contingents marching smartly onto the parade ground to take their positions. Led by Gurez Company, followed by Kalidhar Company. Next comes up is Tithwal Company. And at the end is Rizangla Company. Leading the contingents is Academy Under Officer Aditya Vansh Arya, who is commanding today's parade. At the end of the parade, you can see Lieutenant Colonel Anubhav Pant, the Adjutant, Officers Training Academy Gaya, astride the magnificent grey charger Twister.
Ladies and gentlemen, you see two gentlemen cadets marching smartly towards the saluting dais. They are Kane Orderlies, Junior Under Officer Chenchin Dorji and Junior Under Officer Tenzin Tinley. Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is lined up for review. The order of contingents formed in front of you is: to your extreme left are the contingent of appointments commanded by Wing Cadet Adjutant Ajay Singh Panwar. The first contingent is Gurez Company, commanded by Senior Under Officer Rupesh Kumar.
The second contingent is Kalidhar Company, commanded by Senior Under Officer Abhishek Suman. The third contingent is Tithwal Company, commanded by Senior Under Officer Ankit Kumar. The fourth contingent to your right is Rizangla Company, commanded by Senior Under Officer Vishal Patil. Next are the appointment contingent, commanded by Wing Cadet Adjutant Pankaj Sharma. Next to the contingent of appointments is Academy Cadet Adjutant Danish AV.
Ladies and gentlemen, the officer to your extreme left, on horseback, mounted on grey charger twister, is the adjutant of the academy, Lieutenant Colonel Anubhav Pant. An alumnus of Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, Lieutenant Colonel Anubhav Pant was commissioned into 6th Battalion, the Sikh Regiment, a battalion renowned for her glorious history. Lieutenant Colonel Anubhav Pant has excelled in all his mandatory infantry courses and is a graduate of the prestigious Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, in competitive merit. The officer has garnered rich operational experience while serving in high altitude areas in Arunachal Pradesh and Eastern Ladakh. The officer has also served in intense counterinsurgency operations as a part of an Assam Rifles battalion in Manipur and Eastern Nagaland. The officer has previously been posted as Instructor Class B at Infantry School Mau, wherein he was awarded General Officer Commanding-in-Chief Commendation Card. Lieutenant Colonel Anubhav Pant tenanted the appointment of Company Commander of 6th Battalion, the Sikh Regiment, before assuming the prestigious appointment of Adjutant Officers Training Academy, Gaya, on 21st December 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the adjutant and the entire team of adjutant's branch who have toiled day in and day out to train these gentlemen cadets in drill and have finally achieved such high standards of drill movements which you shall witness today.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब से कुछ ही देर में परेड की सलामी लेने के लिए हमारे समक्ष मौजूद होंगे ब्रिगेडियर जयंत राजगुरु, ब्रिगेडियर जनरल स्टाफ एंड ट्रेनिंग, अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी गया.
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is awaiting the arrival of Brigadier Jayant Rajguru, Brigadier General Staff and Training, Officers Training Academy, Gaya, to take the salute.
Brigadier Jayant Rajguru, Brigadier General Staff and Training, is an alumnus of Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, and was commissioned into 281 Field Regiment on 10 June 1995 and later commanded the same unit. He had the privilege of commanding his unit at field in Mandiala and at Allahabad. The officer has excelled in all his mandatory courses in gunnery, including the prestigious merit-based long gunnery staff course, followed by the Defence Services staff course at Wellington. After the successful command of the regiment, the officer was nominated for the meritorious Higher Command course in 2015. Brigadier Jayant Rajguru has tenanted various command and staff appointments to include a tenure as Staff Officer Operations Grade 1 at Headquarter 5 Sector, Colonel General Staff Training at National Defence Academy, Kadak Wasla, Colonel Quartermaster General of an Artillery Division, Deputy Commander of an Artillery Brigade, and served as military observer in United Missions in Sudan. The instructional tenures of the officer include Director Training and Directing Staff of Naval Higher Command Course at Naval War College. The officer is married to Mrs. Hema Rajguru and is blessed with 2 daughters.
आज इस अकादमी से राजपत्रित होने जा रहे इन वीर सेनानियों का उत्साह कुछ इस तरह बयां करती हूँ। हम हैं देश के वीर जवान, यही है हमारी पहचान। हमने खाई है ये कसम, रोकेंगे हर दुश्मन का कदम, बचाएंगे मातृभूमि की लाज, झुकने ना देंगे तिरंगा आज। आंधी तूफान से खेलते, हर मुश्किल को झेलते, बढ़ते जाते हम दिन रात, दे सुरक्षा की सौगात। हमको नहीं है इसका गम, लड़ते रहेंगे मरते दम। कश्मीर हमारे सर का ताज, कारगिल पर हमको नाज, छीन न सकता कोई आज। यही हिंदुस्तान की आवाज़, यही हिंदुस्तान की आवाज़।
Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Hema Rajguru is amidst us for gracing the occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we have amidst us to take the salute Brigadier Jayant Rajguru, Brigadier General Staff and Training, Officers Training Academy, Gaya.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब से कुछ ही देर में परेड की सलामी लेने के लिए हमारे समक्ष मौजूद होंगे ब्रिगेडियर संदीप मोहला, सेना मेडल, ब्रिगेडियर क्वार्टर मास्टर जनरल एंड ऑफिशिएटिंग डिप्टी कमांडेंट एंड चीफ इंस्ट्रक्टर, अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी गया।
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is awaiting the arrival of Brigadier Sandeep Molla, Sena Medal, Brigadier Quartermaster General and Officiating Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, Officers Training Academy, Gaya, to take the salute.
Brigadier Sandeep Molla, Sena Medal, is an alumnus of National Defence Academy, Khadagwasla and the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. He was commissioned into the 14th Battalion, the Punjab Regiment, Naba Akal, on 16th December 1989. a graduate of the Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, and College of Defence Management, Sikandrabad. The officer has had the honour of commanding his unit, the 14th Battalion, the Punjab Regiment, Naba Akal, an illustrious unit whose history goes back to more than 260 years. He has also commanded a sector in Assam Rifles in counter-insurgency operations in Manipur and a strategic unit of Strategic Forces Command. Important staff appointments tenanted by the officer include General Staff Officer Grade 1 Operations in Military Operations Directorate and Colonel General Staff in Headquarters Army Training Command.
Brigadier Sandeep Molla, Sena Medal, has tenanted instructional appointments to include Company Commander in Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, Head of Faculty of Strategic Management of National Security and Directing Staff Coordination at College of Defence Management, Sikandrabad. The officer has served in very challenging areas including Rashtriya Rifles and Assam Rifles. Ladies and gentlemen, in the year 2000, while serving with his unit in the valley in Manipur, Brigadier Molla's convoy was ambushed, which resulted in a fierce gun battle where 2 hardcore undergrounds were eliminated. For the exemplary valor shown by the officer, he was awarded with Sena Medal Gallantry. Brigadier Molla is also the recipient of commendation cards to include the Chief of Integrated Staff Commendation, the Chief of Army Staff Commendation, and Vice Chief of Army Staff Commendation card for his illustrious services at different points in time during his career. Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Neeti Molla, officiating Vice Patron of Family Welfare Organization Officers Training Academy, Gaya, is amidst us for gracing the occasion.
आज सिंधु में ज्वार उठा है, नगपति फिर ललकार उठा है, कुरुक्षेत्र के कन कन से फिर 5 जन्य हुंकार उठा है। शत शत आघातों को सहकर जीवित हिंदुस्तान हमारा, जग के मस्तक पर रोली सा शोभित हिंदुस्तान हमारा। दुनिया का इतिहास पूछता, रोम कहाँ यूनान कहाँ है, घर घर में शुभ अग्नि जलाता वह उन्नत ईरान कहाँ है। दीप बुझे पश्चिमी गगन के, व्याप्त हुआ बर्बर अंधियारा, किंतु चीर कर तम की छाती चमका हिंदुस्तान हमारा। जग को अमृत का घूंट देकर हमने विष का पान किया था, मानवता के लिए हर्ष से अस्थि वज्र का दान दिया था। जब पश्चिम ने वनफल खाकर छाल पहनकर लाज बचाई, तब भारत से सामगान का स्वर्गिक स्वर था दिया सुनाई। अज्ञानी मानव को हमने दिव्य ज्ञान का दान दिया था, अंबर के ललाट को चूमा अतल सिंधु को छान लिया था।
Ladies and gentlemen, we have amidst us to take the salute Brigadier Sandeep Molla, Sena Medal, Brigadier Quartermaster General and officiating Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, Officers Training Academy, Gaya, to take the salute. Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, Lieutenant General G.A.V. Reddy, Shaurya Chakra, Visishta Seva Medal, Commandant, Officers Training Academy, Gaya, the reviewing officer for passing out parade will arrive to take the salute.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब से कुछ ही देर में परेड की सलामी लेने के लिए हमारे समक्ष मौजूद होंगे लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल G.A.V. रेड्डी, शौर्य चक्र, विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, कमांडेंट ऑफिसर ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी गया।
Lieutenant General G.A.V. Reddy, Shaurya Chakra, Vasishtha Seva Medal, is an alumnus of Officers Training Academy, Chennai. He was commissioned into the 9th Battalion, the Jat Regiment, on March 1986. The General Officer has attended various courses of prestige to include Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, Senior Command, Higher Command, and National Defence College course. During his illustrious and distinguished military career, spanning nearly 35 years, the General Officer has held critical command, staff, and instructional appointments. He tenanted Deputy Adjutant Quartermaster General of an Infantry Brigade, Officer in Command, Siachen Battle School, commanded his own unit, 9th Battalion, the Jat Regiment, Colonel Military Secretary of a Corps, Colonel Quartermaster Operations of Southern Command, Deputy Commander of a Sector Rashtriya Rifles, Deputy Inspector General of Sector Assam Rifles, Deputy General Officer in Command of Pune Sub-Area, Deputy Director General Land in Ministry of Defence Army Headquarters, Inspector General of IGAR East, and Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, Officers Training Academy, Gaya, before taking over as the Commandant, Officers Training Academy, Gaya.
Ladies and gentlemen, during his illustrious service, the General Officer has participated in Operation Rhino, Operation Parakram, Operation Rakshak, and Operation Meghdoot, and has been decorated with Vishisht Seva Medal in the year 2018 for his dedication to duty. The General Officer is a recipient of Shaurya Chakra.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we hear the fanfare heralding the arrival of the reviewing officer of today's parade, who will be reaching the saluting dais in a short while.
आज अंतिम पग को पार कर भारतीय सेना में शामिल हो रहे इन अधिकारियों की ओर से मैं आप सभी को आश्वस्त करना चाहती हूँ कि चाहे कितनी भी कठिन परिस्थितियाँ क्यों न हो, ये वीर सेनानी देश की एकता एवं अखंडता पर कोई आंच नहीं आने देंगे। हाँ, इस देश का वासी हूँ, इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाऊंगा, जीने का दम रखता हूँ तो मरकर भी दिखलाऊंगा। नज़र उठाकर ना देखना ऐ दुश्मन मेरे देश को, मरूंगा मैं ज़रूर पर तुझे मारकर ही जाऊंगा। कसम मुझे इस माटी की, कुछ ऐसा मैं कर जाऊंगा। हाँ, इस देश का वासी हूँ, इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाऊंगा। आशिक तुझे मिले होंगे बहुत, पर मैं ऐसा कहलाऊंगा। सनम होगा मेरा वतन और मैं दीवाना कहलाऊंगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Tara Reddy, Chairperson, Family Welfare Organization, and the First Lady of the Officers Training Academy, Gaya, is amidst us for gracing the occasion.
माया में फंसकर तो मरता ही है हर कोई, पर तिरंगे को कफन बनाकर मैं शहीद कहलाऊंगा। हाँ, इस देश का वासी हूँ, इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाऊंगा। मेरे हौसले ना तोड़ पाओगे तुम, क्योंकि मेरी शहादत ही अब मेरा धर्म है। सीमा पर डटकर खड़ा हूँ, क्योंकि ये मेरा वतन है। ए मेरे देश के नौजवानों, अब आंसू ना बहाओ तुम, सेनानियों की शहादत का अब कर्ज चुकाओ तुम। हासिल करो विश्वास तुम, करो देश के दर्द का एहसास तुम। सपना हो हिंद का सच, दुश्मनों का करो विनाश तुम। उठो तुम भी और मेरे साथ कहो, कुछ ऐसा मैं भी कर जाऊंगा। हाँ, इस देश का वासी हूँ, इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाऊंगा। हाँ, इस देश का वासी हूं, इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाऊंगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, we have amidst us Lieutenant General G.A.V. Reddy, Shaurya Chakra, Visishta Seva Medal, Commandant, Officers Training Academy, Gaya, the reviewing officer for today's passing out parade. Ladies and gentlemen, the parade commander, Academy Under Officer Aditya Vansh Arya, is now marching forward to give report to the reviewing officer.
देवियों और सज्जनों, आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत ये परेड मैदान, जिसे ड्रिल स्क्वायर के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, इस अकादमी का पवित्र स्थल है, जिसके लिए सर्वसत्ता, सत्यवादिता, न्यायशीलता ही प्रथम एवं आखिरी प्राथमिकता है। ड्रिल स्क्वायर के दाहिने एवं बाएं किनारों पर आप देख सकते हैं विजयंत टैंक, जो कि भारत में निर्मित अपनी तरह का पहला टैंक है। यह टैंक 1965 में भारतीय सेना में सम्मिलित किए गए और 1971 के भारत पाक युद्ध में इन्होंने महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया। देवियों एवं सज्जनों, परेड मैदान के दाहिने ओर आप देख सकते हैं BRDM यानी टोही बख्तरबंद वाहन, जो थल एवं जल दोनों सतहों पर निगरानी करने में सक्षम है। ये वाहन भारतीय सेना में सन 1985 में शामिल किए गए थे। अपनी तेज गति तथा छिपाव पूर्वक निगरानी करने के कारण ये वाहन सेना के लिए बहुत उपयोगी एवं महत्वपूर्ण साबित हुए।
देवियों और सज्जनों, सलामी मंच से दक्षिण दिशा में आप देख सकते हैं प्रेरणा स्तंभ। स्तंभ पर तीनों ही दिशाओं में चैटवुड द्वारा उद्घोषित ऐतिहासिक सिद्धांत, जिसे चैटवुड क्रेडो के नाम से जाना जाता है, नक्काशित किया गया है। यह वो बुनियादी सिद्धांत है जो प्रत्येक अकादमी के प्रत्येक जेंटलमैन कैडेट के लहू में दौड़ता है। साथ ही प्रत्येक सैनिक को हर कदम पर अपने कर्तव्यों और दृढ़ निश्चय की याद दिलाता है। यह उत्तम व्यक्तित्व एवं उत्कृष्ट जीवन शैली का संकेत है। यह सदा ही प्रत्येक जेंटलमैन कैडेट के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत रहा है और भविष्य में भी देश पर मर मिटने की भावना से परिपूर्ण करता रहेगा।
The safety, honor and welfare of your country comes first, always and every time. The honor, welfare and comfort of your men you command come next. Your own ease, comfort and the safety come last, always and every time. Ladies and gentlemen, this basic principle of Chetwood Credo lays the strong foundation of military leadership in the gentlemen cadets at the military academies in India. An Officers Training Academy, Gaya, is no exception to the same. That is why these immortal lines find place on the Prerna Stambh of the Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, now the parade commander, Academy Under Officer Aditya Vansh Arya, is now proceeding back to his position to take the command of the parade and lead the contingents in front of the saluting dais.
The contingents are now marching to the tune of Kadam Kadam Badhaye Ja, their swords and rifles shimmering in the morning light, pledging fidelity to the motherland. On their shoulders will rest enormous responsibilities which they will fulfill with unflinching devotion. These young and zealous catalysts of the army will be guarding frontiers and posts located at towering altitudes in the ice-capped mountains on craggy frontiers where, other than the enemy, survival against the fury of nature is a challenge in itself. Whether it is the glaciers in the north, the desert frontiers in the west, or the inhospitable jungle terrain of the east, these young men will safeguard the borders of the nation always and every time. It is their utmost duty to ensure the defense of the motherland. The whole nation takes pride in them, and the land resonates with their praise. They who for their country die shall fill an honored grave, for glory lies the soldier's tomb, and beauty weeps the brave.
वीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो, साथ में ध्वजा रहे, सैन्य दल सजा रहे, ध्वज कभी झुके नहीं, दल कभी रुके नहीं, सामने पहाड़ हो, सिंह की दहाड़ हो, तुम निडर हटो नहीं, तुम निडर डटो वहीं, वीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो, प्रातः हो कि रात हो, संग हो न साथ हो, सूर्य से बड़े चलो, चंद्र से बड़े चलो, वीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Army Adventure Nodal Center, Gaya, has been the pioneer of microlight flying in the Indian Army. The node has many laurels to its credit and is being currently commanded by Colonel Lakshmikant Yadav. Now, a fleet of microlight aircrafts of Flying Rabbits of Army Adventure Nodal Center will come from your left.
The contingents are now marching to the tune of Sare Jahan Se Acha, a prominent lyrical composition by a poet and philosopher, Muhammad Iqbal.
Ladies and gentlemen, look towards your left. The first aircraft is Zen Air, displaying the national flag, the flag of the Indian Army, and being flown by Colonel Lakshmikant Yadav.
Leading the parade is Academy Under Officer Aditya Vansh Arya. Next are the appointments contingent commanded by Wing Cadet Adjutant Ajay Singh Panwar.
The second aircraft approaching from your left, Mike 102, will display the flag of Army Services Corps and is flown by Colonel Tomojit Bishwas.
The first contingent is Gurez Company, commanded by Senior Under Officer Rupesh Kumar. The second contingent is Kalidhar Company, commanded by Senior Under Officer Abhishek Suman.
Ladies and gentlemen, the third aircraft, Mike 104, will display the flag of Army Training Command and is being flown by Havildar Surve.
The third contingent is Titwal Company, commanded by Senior Under Officer Ankit Kumar.
The fourth aircraft approaching is Mike 106 and it will display the flag of Central Command and is flown by Nayak Ravi Chauhan. The fifth aircraft, Mike 101, will display the flag of Officers Training Academy Gaya and is being flown by Major Ankit Tiwari.
The contingent now in front of the saluting dais is Rizangla Company, commanded by Senior Under Officer Vishal Patil. Next are the appointments contingent, commanded by Wing Cadet Adjutant Pankaj Sharma.
Marching next towards the saluting dais is Academy Cadet Adjutant Danish Avi. And ladies and gentlemen, moving behind the line of contingents is Academy Adjutant Lieutenant Colonel Anubhav Pant, astride the magnificent Twista. Ladies and gentlemen, the military brass bands playing in front of you are Officers Training Academy Gaya Band, headed by Subedar Major Abdul Ghani.
आज की परेड में अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी गया बैंड का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सूबेदार मेजर अब्दुल गनी। देवियों और सज्जनों, सेना और संगीत का संबंध बहुत पुराना है। प्राचीन काल में युद्ध आरंभ, विराम एवं विभिन्न चरणों का पता संगीत से ही चलता था और इसी परंपरा को कायम रखते हुए आज भी सेना की सभी रेजिमेंट के अपने बैंड हैं।
Code of the Warrior. I am a warrior. Defending my nation is my dharma. I will train my mind, body and spirit to fight. Excel in all devices and weapons of war, present and future. Always protect the weak. Be truthful and forthright. Be humane, cultured and compassionate. Fight and embrace the consequences willingly. God, give me strength that I ask nothing of you, is the code of warrior, ladies and gentlemen, which everybody in the armed forces proudly follow.
अब परेड मार्च कर रही है लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल गिरीश कुमार द्वारा संयोजित की गई संविधान मार्च की आत्मीय धुन पर।
Ladies and gentlemen, the history of Indian Army is replete with saga of courage and sacrifice. Our brave soldiers have fought like lions and routed the enemy who has ever dared to cast a nefarious eye on us, threatening the sovereignty and honor of a motherland. With utter disregard to their own personal safety, these gallant brave hearts have displayed an iron will to face all adversities unflinchingly to safeguard our nation's territorial integrity. Our valiant soldiers have also earned laurels for the nation in the field of sports, adventure activities, and as inspiring statesmen who always stand for the good of the country.
शांत हूँ, स्थिर हूँ, अपितु घेरा भी हूँ मैं। सैकड़ों तांडव लिए ठहरा भी हूँ मैं। हूँ अहिंसा शांति का सच्चा उपासक। भीरू और लाचार हूँ, किंचित नहीं मैं। हो कदाचित विनय अनुनय व्यर्थ मेरे, अदम दंडित करने को शंकित नहीं मैं। शांत हूँ, स्थिर हूँ, अपितु घेरा भी हूँ मैं। सैकड़ों तांडव लिए ठहरा भी हूँ मैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, these names are legend and are etched in golden letters in the annals of our history. They no doubt will inspire these young men passing out of the portals of this academy to emulate the gallant deeds of these brave soldiers when their day of reckoning comes. These gentlemen cadets are future leaders who have been banished at this premier institution, will serve as a bulwark of our nation and further enrich our glorious and heroic tradition.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब आप देख सकते हैं कि गुरेज कंपनी, जो कि वसंत सत्र 2021 की चैंपियन कंपनी थी, चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ बैनर अकादमी को लौटा रही है। जूनियर अंडर ऑफिसर राजेंद्र सिंह राठौर परेड मैदान के मध्य में बैनर सौंपते हुए। यह बैनर पूरे प्रशिक्षण काल के दौरान सभी क्षेत्रों में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करने वाली कंपनी को आज की परेड के समीक्षा अधिकारी द्वारा प्रदान किया जाएगा। Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, the reviewing officer will award medals to those gentlemen cadets who have performed outstandingly well during the course of their training and will present the Chief of Army Staff banner to the company that has emerged as the best company in the inter-company competitions. This banner is presented to the company that has scored the highest marks in service subjects, weapon training, physical training, drill and sports.
The awards which will be presented today are Sword of Honor, adjudged overall best among gentlemen cadets of Technical Entry Scheme Course 38. The winner is Academy Under Officer Aditya Vansh Arya. He has garnered 6-star gold torchy, half blue in basketball and merit card in cross country. Gold medal awarded to gentleman cadet who is first in overall order of merit. The winner is Academy Under Officer Aditya Vansh Arya. Silver medal awarded to gentleman cadet who is second in overall order of merit. The winner is Wing Cadet Captain Mayur Patil. He has garnered 5-star gold torchy and is the gladiator of the course. Bronze medal awarded to gentleman cadet who is third in overall order of merit. The winner is Wing Cadet Adjutant Ajay Singh Panwar. He has garnered 6-star gold torchy and is a gladiator of the course. Silver medal awarded to gentleman cadet who is first in overall order of merit among Special Commission Officer Course 47. The winner is Academy Cadet Adjutant Danish AV. Chief of Army Staff banner is presented to the company which has performed outstandingly well in all fields in autumn term 2021. The winner is Gurez Company. Ladies and gentlemen, the Chief of Army Staff banner is now being brought onto the parade ground. Now, may we request Lieutenant General G.A.V. Reddy, Shaurya Chakra, Vasishtha Seva Medal, Commandant, Officers Training Academy, Gaya, the reviewing officer, to kindly present the awards to the winners.
Sword of Honor awarded to Academy Under Officer Aditya Vansh Arya. He is commissioned into 3rd Battalion, the Assam Regiment. Gold Medal awarded to Academy Under Officer Aditya Vansh Arya. Silver Medal awarded to Wing Cadet Captain Mayur Patil. He is being commissioned into Army Ordnance Corps. Bronze Medal awarded to Wing Cadet Adjutant Ajay Singh Panwar. He is commissioned into Army Ordnance Corps. Silver Medal awarded to Academy Under Officer Danish Avi, who stood first in the overall order of merit among Special Commission Officer Course 47. He is being commissioned into Army Service Corps. Chief of Army Staff banner presented to Gurez Company, which has stood first in autumn term 2021.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is indeed a proud moment for the gentlemen cadets of Gurez Company, whose names will be etched in gold for winning the Chief of Army Staff banner. This is the result of hard work, dedication, and unbreakable resolve displayed by Gurez Company over the last 6 months. In honor of this victory, the gentlemen cadets of Gurez Company will wear their lanyards on the right shoulder for spring term 2022. Now, may we request the reviewing officer to kindly address the parade.
Distinguished parents and guardians, esteemed guests, instructors and staff, ladies and gentlemen cadets on parade. It is a matter of honor for me as Commandant of this premier pre-commissioning training academy to be the reviewing officer of the passing out parade. Ladies and gentlemen, before I commence my address to the passing out course, on behalf of all ranks and gentlemen cadets of passing out course, let me express our deepest condolence and pay homage to General Bipin Rawat, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yuddh Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Yuddh Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, Aide de Camp, Chief of Defence Staff, Mrs. Madhulika Rawat, President, Defence Wives Welfare Association, and 11 military personnel who lost their lives in an unfortunate accident on 8 December 2021. The nation will remain obligated for their invaluable service to the motherland. Coming to this solemn occasion, let me congratulate gentlemen cadets of the passing out courses, that's Technical Entry Scheme Course Serial 38 and Special Commission Officers Course Serial 47. I also wish to congratulate Technical Entry Scheme Course Serial 44 for successfully completing their basic military training at this academy. My compliments to the parade commander and gentlemen cadets for their immaculate turnout and excellent drill. Your hard work and rigorous training is portrayed through this superlative performance this morning. Well done. I also wish to compliment the adjutant and the team of drill instructors for the high standard of today's parade. My sincere gratitude to the proud parents and guardians for raising such fine men with robust value system. Your continued support is profoundly acknowledged, without which this feat wouldn't have been achieved. You would have noticed an uplifting transformation in your son. It's manifestation of our shared aspirations to transform them from boys to combat leaders, ever ready to serve the motherland. The nation will remain indebted for your decision and valued contribution. Gentlemen, you have chosen the noblest of all professions. There is no other field of life which provides such greater opportunities for serving the motherland with selfless devotion. Our nation expects us, the Indian Army, to develop and maintain the capability and readiness to deter the adversary, protect and safeguard our borders and strategic assets, defend the nation in case of aggression, and to win wars when imposed upon, while respecting human values and dignity. The 1.3 billion strong nation has bestowed trust in us, the armed forces. This is an onerous responsibility to be lived at all costs. Nation's interest comes first, always and every time. Soon you will be joining your unit. You've got to quickly adapt to your new role with passion. Identify yourself with your men. Remember, you do not accept them. They accept you. They will know your name. You not only need to know their names, but also their hopes, fears, and capabilities. No one wins on his own. Teams win battles. If you win the trust and affection of your men, they will win battles for you. Be receptive to their advice and accept constructive criticism. You will be surprised by their wealth of knowledge and intrigued by their rich experience. Gentlemen, you are all poised to don the mantle of a leader. The choices you make will define your leadership style. Army needs agile, adaptive leaders who are able to address a spectrum of conflicts ranging from high-intensity combat, counter-terrorism, insurgency, low-intensity conflicts in peacetime, peacekeeping, humanitarian intervention, and training. All of these will demand rapid response with decisions to be made in unprecedented tactical and operational situations. You will be required to retain the ability to lead the troops while being at ease with technology. Gentlemen, the dynamics of combat is rapidly changing. Disruptive technologies have added new domains of cyber and space. Use of drones, standoff attacks beyond visual range, cyber and biological capabilities are some of the examples. You would be at the forefront to encounter such threats. Technical prowess, mental agility, critical thinking, and swift response are key to success. You got to condition yourself and troops under your command for these dynamic combat challenges. During your stay at this academy, you have been trained in various aspects of leadership. While you will continue to receive further training in your units and formations, you will have to do a great deal of self-study to enhance your capabilities, to accomplish the assigned missions. Always continue the quest for excellence. When faced with difficult choices, have the courage of conviction to select the harder right. Now, addressing the gentlemen cadets of Technical Entry Scheme Course Serial 444, let me urge you to put in your best during the technical training leg that awaits you at the respective cadet training wings. Completion of the training here was the first step. Keep up your drive and perseverance towards achieving technical skills that adds to both organizational expectations and your personal aspirations. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate gentlemen cadets from our friendly foreign countries getting commissioned today from the portals of this premier institution. We are certain that you do your country proud and the bond developed here will remain for lifeline. I wish you success in all your future endeavors. To sum up, I once again compliment each one of you for your illustrious efforts. I feel privileged to set you off on a journey to make our nation and the alma mater proud. Godspeed, Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your golden words of guidance, appreciation, insight, and inspiration that is a source of strength to one and all present here, and especially the passing out courses. Ladies and gentlemen, the passing out gentlemen cadets will soon take the formal leave of this institution. Shortly, the band will play the soulful melody Auld Lang Syne, which will orchestrate the slow march leading to the Antim Pag.
The championship banner is now being handed over by the senior under officer Rupesh Kumar of Gurez Company, the champion company of this term, to the representative of junior course, Gentleman Cadet Ankush Kumar, which is symbolic and will serve as an inspiration for the junior course to emulate their seniors in the coming term.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the gentlemen cadets, the day has come to say goodbye to their alma mater, which has been their home for many months. The passing out gentlemen cadets will shortly come forward in slow march past the saluting dais, taking their final step.
Appointment! Dynamite, Chiligoff! Dynamite! Move! Appointment! Dynamite, go up! Dynamite, step! Take, jump! Gentlemen cadet, छे में बारी बारी से धीरे चाल से अंतिम पक्ष से गुजरेगा परेड standing by go standing by set धीरे चल
Should all acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind, should all acquaintance be forgot and days of Auld Lang Syne. This melodious tune of Auld Lang Syne, the lyrics of which were composed by Robert Burns, has never failed to bring back memories to many minds, nostalgia to many hearts, and tears to many eyes.
Ladies and gentlemen, take your attention to the front. You will see the aircrafts of 1 in-depth Recce observation approaching in arrowhead formation, led by Lieutenant Colonel Sarvesh Sharma, Major M.K. Mishra and Major Avinash Kumar. The first aircraft would sharp petals on the passing out course as they move towards the Antim Pug. The rest of the 2 aircrafts would sharp petals on the rest of the contingents on this auspicious occasion of the passing out parade of Technical Entry Scheme Course 38 and Special Commission Officers Course 47.
And here we put voice to the silent prayer of all proud parents and guardians of the passing out course seated for the occasion. This is the prayer I say tonight. It is for my loved one who must fight. This prayer is not for this one alone, but for all the military, far from home. I ask you to keep them safe and sound on their way to where they are rebound. We love those that are asked to fight, so keep them safe for us tonight. So keep them safe for us tonight.
भविष्य में इन बहादुर अधिकारियों को कड़ी चुनौतियों का सामना करना होगा। इन सैनिकों के लिए यह बदलाव मात्र जेंटलमैन कैडेट से अधिकारी बनने तक का ही नहीं, बल्कि हर कदम, हर मोड़ पर अपने सैनिकों को अपने अदम्य साहस से प्रोत्साहित करना है।
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly look towards the right of the parade ground. You can see one in-depth recce and observation fly past carrying the Indian tricolor, flag of the Indian Army and flag of the Officers Training Academy, Gaya.
जिस प्रकार हर शुरुआत का अंत निश्चित है, उसी प्रकार इस ऐतिहासिक पासिंग आउट परेड का अंत दंडपाल की सलामी के साथ होता है। अब आज के परेड के समीक्षा अधिकारी आगंतुक हस्ताक्षर पुस्तिका में अपने हस्ताक्षर करेंगे। यहाँ मौजूद अतिथिगण एवं जेंटलमैन कैडेट के अभिभावकों से अनुरोध है कि वे अपने स्थान पर बने रहें।
Ladies and gentlemen, we, Captain Bopana, Gentleman Cadet Abhinav Mehrotra, Gentleman Cadet Harshvardhan Gupta and Mrs. Bhavna Khatri, thank you all for being a part of mesmerizing passing out parade. Thank you, Dhanyavad and Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, all are requested to remain seated, please. Ladies and gentlemen, I repeat, all are requested to remain seated, please. Ladies and gentlemen, all are requested to remain seated, please.